Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the hardware and drivers. You need a haptic-capable device and current drivers. Once done, connect the device and open OEM or Windows settings to enable haptics. Make sure any middleware, Steam, controller apps is installed because those route advanced effects. You'll also set basic intensity here so you don't get overwhelmed. Adjust to a low level first. This immediate action gets the system ready for app-level configuration and prevents conflicts later. Once the base is ready, open your middleware, Steam input, controller software, or Haptic SDK tools and locate haptic settings. You'll map specific events to tactile patterns, footsteps, impacts, UI clicks. Make profiles per app so you keep settings separate. This prevents one game from overriding another. Test patterns with the preview tool while adjusting frequency, duration, and intensity. This helps you tune realism without fatigue. If available, enable low latency mode, so feedback aligns tightly with visuals and audio. Finish by saving profiles and enabling auto-load for each application so your settings stick. You should test in real scenarios, play a few minutes and observe timing and comfort. If things look off, run diagnostics or event logs to confirm haptic triggers and measure latency. Make sure USB ports supply enough power and that no older drivers or conflicting middleware are active. Updating or reinstalling the OEM driver often fixes problems. One key tip: reboot after driver changes to force a clean initialization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.